Hi, my name's Abby, and welcome to the Phoenard course Chapter 1, Lesson 2, Blinking LED. In this lesson, I will guide you through a step-by-step tutorial, working up from the basic theory of common components to using these to build a circuit. And finally, I will show you the code behind it. First of all, make sure you have all the parts ready to follow this tutorial. For your first project, you are going to need the Phoenard breadboard as a base for making the circuit, a standard-sized LED as your indicator, a 220 ohm resistor to limit the current passing through the LED, and finally, jumper wires to connect everything on your breadboard. Got everything you need? Then tap the screen and let's get busy. With everything in front of you, start by picking up your LED. Can you tell there's a difference between the two leads? One lead is longer than the other one. The longer one indicates that this is the positive terminal of the LED, and the shorter one is the negative terminal, or the ground. Tap the screen once you can tell the difference between the two leads. The next step is to plug the positive terminal of the LED in hole 27H, and the negative terminal in 30I. Tap the screen once you've placed the LED on your breadboard. Grab a short wire and connect the negative lead of the LED to the ground plane, for instance from 30J to any part of the ground plane underneath. Tap the screen once you're done. Take the 220 ohm resistor and place it in series with the positive lead of the LED to the other side of the breadboard, for example from 27F to 27C. For resistors, the polarity doesn't matter, so you can place it any way you want. Tap the screen once you're done. Once again, grab another piece of small wire, and in this case, try to connect it in series with the resistor to the digital pin number 7. For instance, you can connect one lead to hole 27A and the other end to the digital pin number 7. Tap the screen once you've got this. Before you can run your project, you need to take one more step. Connect the ground plane of the breadboard to the ground connection in the black connector. Tap the screen when you're done. Well done! You've just built your first circuit. Now you can connect the Phoenard breadboard to the Phoenard through its connector on the bottom. Make sure you plug it in gently and try not to ruin the circuit that you've just made. After plugging it in, press the select button on the bottom left side on the Phoenard to run the circuit. Do you see the LED blinking? If so, well done! You've just made a blinking LED project. If you do not see the LED blinking, go over your circuit again and check the connection of your wires and resistor. Is everything where it should be? Don't forget to double check the polarity of the LED as well. Tap the screen if you're happy and want to know about the code behind this project. As mentioned in the introduction course, you have two main voids in the Arduino sketch. The first one is the void setup, and the second is the void loop. As you can see, because we use pin 7 as an output to power the LED, in the void setup you have to define pin 7 as an output. Otherwise, the LED will shine very dimly, or it won't shine at all. Furthermore, in the second void, which is the loop where the code is running endlessly, you alternate the pin state between high and low continuously, with a specific delay in between. To toggle the pin high and low, you use the function digital write specifying the pin and state. In between, you can see the delay has been placed to make sure that the LED is on and off for a certain period of time. And because this part of the code is placed in the void loop, this process continues endlessly. Tap the screen to continue. Next, you can modify the blinking rate. On the screen, you can see the slider and delay value that you can try to vary and see the effect. As you can see, the LED blinks faster if you lower the delay value and vice versa. Press Select to continue. Congratulations! You've just finished your first blinking LED project. The source code is available on the Phoenard website that you can download and copy. Hungry for a challenge? See if you can now make multiple LEDs blink sequentially. Well, good luck and see you in the next lesson.